Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hopefully you guys are staying safe and staying warm down in the lower states. Hopefully you guys are able to keep your reptiles at a comfortable level and none of you guys are suffering too bad down there. I know it's tough and hopefully it'll be over soon. Seen some pretty bad stuff going on down there with some snakes not making it, and you have my condolences on that, and I'm very sorry about that. It's always tough to lose a snake, especially when it's out of your control and it's weather related and there's nothing that you can do about it. But we're gonna feed some of these snakes, and for some reason she is definitely ready to eat. So we'll start with her since she is definitely the one that seems to be the hungriest, and we'll feed her a rat pup. I'm switching between rat pups and large mice with her. Her size is kind of got me a little weird because she's 2019, late 2019, and I have 2020s that are bigger than she is, and she has a small head. So I know sometimes when boas have small heads, they're often being fed too much, but we'll just have to see how she grows. But I love her colors on her. I thought she would start to fade out and get a little bit darker, but she's really getting brighter and brighter as she grows up. And as I say brighter and brighter, her head's getting a lot darker, I guess. She's got a ton of black speckling on her, which is awesome. And then her tail is the brightest part on her, but she is a very, very, very gorgeous snake. And then we'll jump over here to the Molly. Oh yeah, I know it's a mess in here. I apologize. I'm cleaning out the Burmese cage, cleaning out the red tail Surinam's cage. I was cleaning out some of the ball python cages. So I took a break on the cleaning. We got to feed the animals because they're hungry, and then I can continue to clean them afterwards as they're settling and eating as well. So, all right, we'll see if she wants to eat. So hopefully she sheds out with the next couple days. And I've noticed that when she's getting really close to shedding, she gets really chalky looking and almost like she has really dried skin. But I've been spraying this enclosure down ever since I saw her go into blue, and the humidity in here is like 80, 85. So there's absolutely no way it's too dry in here. I don't know why the top of her head gets super chalky. Just really weird. But she should be doing okay. And we will feed the Guyana red tail. Love how bright her tail is. A rat pup as well. Oh, there we go. And she's pretty calm on eating as well. But awesome colors on her. Really nice patterns as well. And these girls are definitely hungry. So the motley takes, well, out of these, the motley's going to take the longest. She'll probably take at least 30 minutes to eat something. So we'll just come over here. And she definitely wants to eat. And she's going to get a bird. So still a bird eater. Whoa. Here we go. There we go. I wish she would do that with a rat, but she doesn't. And it is very, very, very annoying. But she also takes like 45 minutes to eat. I don't know what it is with a lot of these bigger snakes that take forever to eat. And then these smaller ones don't take any time at all. So we'll just watch these girls eat. And we'll see the progress on the Motley and Mountain Dew. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching a few of the snakes eat. I tossed in a rat pup with the California king snakes. I noticed she has not eaten in a while either. I was really hoping the Anaconda would have eaten in the water. I put her in there, but she didn't want nothing to do with it. She darted out of there super fast. And so we had to watch her eat on the ground. So she's still not on rats, but it's okay. As long as she's eating, I'm perfectly happy with that. Hopefully everybody has a better week and it warms up everywhere really, because I'm sick and tired of seeing snow, sick and tired of the cold, really want spring to be here and definitely summer. But stay safe and I'll see you guys on the next video.